welcome to another Perler Bead tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very cute Perler Bead sunglasses. Not wearable ones, but I could probably show you how to do that in another video, although not sure how well you'd be able to see out of those. But if you just want them for looks, for a photo prop, that'll be another tutorial. But today I'm just going to show you cutesy little ones like the flip-flops that are mostly just for decor purposes. You could put them on a necklace, a keychain, a photo frame, you name it, you can do it. But these are just for looks, not for actually wearing. So, you're going to need 2 colors of beads. You're going to need black for the lenses, which I've got, and then whatever color you want to use for the frames. I'm going to use a nice baby blue. And you don't need very many beads for this design because they're pretty small. So rather than start at the bottom like we did on the flip-flops, we are going to start on the top row of these. And we are actually going to go 17 across. So let me dump out some beads and we will get to it. So 1, 2, oops, get on there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Let's put it on this side. Okay. Now, next row, you're going to do 2 beads at the left edge, like so. Then you're going to grab your black beads and you're going to do 5. So let's dump out some black beads. So, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to go 3 with the frame color, so 1, 2, oops, and a 3. Then you're going to do another 5 for the other lens. So 1 and 2, oops, 3, 4, and 5. And then finally, 2 more beads of the frame color at the other end. So 1 and 2. Now, next row down, you're going to go in 1 and do just 1 bead of the frame color. Because these are supposed to be like the hinges where the earpieces would connect on. And then you're going to do 5 again for the black beads. You're literally just going to make a square with these black beads. So it's going to be 5 every time we have a row that has the black beads, just so you know. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are going to, once again, do 3 in the middle. So it's going to make the rest of the little nose piece. So 1, and 2, whoops, get in there, and 3, another 5 in black, so 1, get off that, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then finally 1 more bead at the end, like so. Next row, you're going to start in the same spot and do just 1 bead of the frame color, and again do 5 in black, as we already talked about. So 1, 2, whoops, 3, 4, oops, the hair got stuck on it, and 5. This is where it changes up a tiny bit. You're just going to do 1 right here on this edge, and then you're going to skip 1, and then you're going to do 1 again, like that, because we're starting to make the shape of the sunglasses. Yeah, we're already almost done, guys. This is a super fast design. It's really little. So like I said, you could make this into jewelry if you would like to. 2, 3, and 4. Oops, actually that works. And 5. And then finally 1 more on the end. And then, once again, we start the same spot on the left. Do just 1 bead. Do 5 in black. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then again, just 1 bead. We are going to again skip 1 peg and do 1 bead again. And then 5 in black. So 1. Whoops, I missed. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good news, that is the last black bead you will need for this design. And then finally just 1 more of the frame color right there. And then on the last row, you're going to go in 1 and you're just going to go right below the black beads on both. So 5 and 5, like this. So 1, 2, 3, if I could get it on my tweezers. Whoops, I missed. Get in there, please. Thank you. 4 and 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good news, you are done, other than ironing it. So we're gonna do that and we will be back in just a second. And here they are they not so precious and delicate and cute? I'm in love with these. If you did it right, I suppose you could look through them, but I mean, let me look. Yeah, you can't really see much through them, but I mean, just saying, they're really cute aesthetically, but yeah, I would love to see you guys' designs if you decide to make these or similar, so make sure you comment down below and let me know where I can see those if you make these. But yeah, and let me know what you make them for, just as is for your Perler Bead collections, or if you made a project out of them. So, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you follow my social media accounts. They're all listed in the description box. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, which does help so much, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, till next time,